Oh.
Metaphase!
Interphase. In this stage, the cell is constructing new molecules and organelles. Within this period of time, the cell has already duplicated its DNA. The chromatins are invisible since they're still packed together. If the nucleolysis is still there, it indicates the cell is producing more ribosomes. Prophase. This is the first stage in mitosis. The chromosomes, which are condensed chromatin fibers, make their appearance. The nucleolysis should have vanished now and ceased making ribosomes. Within the cytoplasm, a football-like figure forms called the mitotic spindle. The spindle then gravitates the chromosomes to its center. Metaphase. This is the second stage of mitosis. All the chromosomes line up in the center and the spindle is completely formed.
Anaphase. The sister chromatids start to separate and turn into daughter chromosomes. Proteins help move the daughter chromosomes toward the poles. The spindle microtubules grow larger, spreading the poles apart. Telophase. The chromosomes reach the poles. The spindles are gone now, and the two nuclear envelopes form around each set of chromosomes. The chromosomes start to stretch and the nucleoli come back. Cytokinesis. The cytoplasm divided into two daughter cells, each with their own nucleus. This completes mitosis.
Hello there, young one. You've grown so much. Come in, let me show you my scrapbook.
Alright.
These old bones are getting tired. This is the little cell when he was first born, in his prophase. Isn't he so cute? During the prophase, proteins call homologous chromosomes to actually stick together along their length. Pair chromosomes now made up 2 of 4 chromatids referred to as the tetrads. Second stepsister chromatids in the tetrads exchange some genetic material. So adorable. This is during the metaphase, when he had grown up a little bit, playing sports and learning his ABCs. The tetrads move to the middle of the cell and line up across the spindle, just like that. Isn't it amazing how fast they grow up? Okay, that's good. This is during his anaphase. He was a little rebellious then. During the first anaphase, homologous chromosomes separate as they migrate to opposite poles of the spindle. Sister chromatids migrate together. This is when he graduated with his PhD. Such a smart cell. We called him telophase and cytokinesis then. During that phase, chromosomes show up at the poles. The poles now have a haploid nucleus. Cytokinesis usually occurs along the telophase 1 with my salad fingers. Sorry, it just sounded too much like salad fingers. Then they grew up to their second metaphase. The chromosomes line up in the center of the cell and attach to the chromatid. Such good-looking boys. Then they grew up even more. They were even more rebellious than their father. The chromatids separate and move to opposite ends of the cell. Oh, it makes me giddy just to remember it. Now they had kids of their own during telophase 2 and cytokinesis. The individual chromatids separate at the poles, then cytokinesis divides the cell into 2. They have their mother's eyes. Oh yeah, and something about this being your brother. Let's go.
I don't always study metaphase, but when I do it with Daniel.